Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the how to connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Since I don't have any iPhone, so I cannot able to connect Apple CarPlay. So I have only Android, so we are connecting today Android Auto. So what we need is a USB cable, a Type C USB cable, normal the cable which we are getting from a phone, that we need like this. And what we need is a phone which supports this, and just plug into the USB. Since my car have two USB slot, so plug in here, and once that is done, like we have to plug the phone here. So if you see the option, there are 4 options. Once you connect, we will get a map option as well as an Android option. I will just show you now. Yeah. So once it is connected, you will get a map option as well as an Android option. So it will automatically connect, no issue. We don't need to click. It will automatically connect to the phone, and these are the options. We can customize from the phone launcher, customization. These are settings. We have settings. We can set wallpaper or the dark mode for map. Like we can set any sort of wallpaper. I think this is better, so we taking this, and few other settings are there, like electric vehicle settings and many other. Electric vehicle settings, many are there, and few other options also there, like notification. This is the few options. This is the map, the Google map that we usually see in the phone. We can see it here, and we have Spotify to play music. And one cool thing is that we can also play like this, music here, location here, like that. And this is a notification option, and few other options also there, like Spotify, YT Music, WhatsApp. I don't use it WhatsApp here. It's not practical. And many options. If you click the phone here, it will go to the home screen, and once you get the Android Auto here, we can come back. We have calendar. We have many sort of options. Messages. I think message I don't use regularly. It will not show accurately. You can call or something. And this thing looks cool, right? In this Google map, because the regular titanium models will come with a memory map that doesn't have much locations when compared to Google map. So I think fewer cars today don't provide this connectivity like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Since some brands like Maruti provides their inbuilt map, that map doesn't have much location when compared to this. And yeah, and few options also there, like reminder, game stack, calendar, news. We can see the news, what's happening around. And this only runs with the help of the network or data. If the data is off, I think it will not work properly. And map, yeah, voice. What's the weather now? Hey Google, what's the weather now? Yesterday it was working well. What's the weather now?
Right now in Mambakkam it's 28 degrees with fog. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 29 and a low of 24. Due to
Like
the
this,
current
it will work.
humidity, it feels like it's 30.
My car Ecosport has some features like this. Few options. And talking about, once we go to the home, so this is the home page. We have YT music, and we can play YouTube here. If you guys want me to the videos in Hindi, I'll do it, no problem. And there's also a few connectivities like car stream, car tube, like we can pair the YouTube here. And talking about mirroring is option also there, I think, in this car. I think Ford doesn't have that feature, only the brands like Volkswagen have. We can also use the mirroring option. Is basically we are displaying the phone screen in the touch screen, that's all, nothing there much. Like we are generally we are using a phone, the display will be screen shared in the touch screen of the car. That is what mirroring does. And we have weather option, we have WhatsApp, settings, and messages. I think this is explained already. So these are the few options we have here. And this game and all I will not play. So hope you guys get a clear understanding of this Apple CarPlay. That's not Android Auto. Apple CarPlay I don't have the phone to connect, so that's the issue. Else I will do that also. So this Ecosport has that feature on the top spec model only. Nowadays some car doesn't have this feature also. It's very annoying to see this feature is missing in few other cars in the new days. Some brands usually don't have these features. I've seen many cars, so few brands cost cut this. Even Ford also does. It's only available in the Titanium option or the Sports Edition, not in the other variants. Other variants come with a map, with memory map. So this thing looks cool, and we can also adjust this, play music parallelly, or we can I think this I cannot play much because copyright will be coming. YT music is also there. We can play music from YouTube. I am not signed in yet. So that's all, guys. I hope I explained very well on this thing. It is so easy to connect. All you need is to plug in the cable right here, connect with the phone, and that's all. We can set the Android Auto in the touch screen, and that's really easy, not big task. Just plugging the phone and it will automatically connect here. Some phones doesn't have some issues with connecting the touchscreen. My old phone has that issue, but it is not a big deal. Like it will easily, if you have a new phone or if you try with some other device, it will work. So hope you guys get a clear understanding, and if you guys want the video in Hindi, please please write in the comments. And I do make videos on something like here, how to play the videos in YouTube. It's Android Auto. we have another application for that also we can try it. So that's all guys, hope you guys are supporting me. We keep that support and stay tuned for the next video. And now our channel has reached 500 subscribers, so very thankful to you guys, because your support is most needed for me to grow. Now we reach 500 subscribers and soon we will have to reach 1000 subscribers, so please support me and I will make videos like this, the wonderful contents, useful contents on the cars and some useful features like this. So keep supporting me guys, I need your support to reach the channel, grow better, and like we have reached 500 subscribers and soon we reach 1k or 5k soon. All I need is your support. So thanks for everything guys, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and please keep supporting and stay tuned. Bye bye.